Hi guys, today we're gonna show you how you can achieve this kind of effect. This kind of blue, red. Actually, more than that, you can do whatever you want. So just have those tape. I bought this from just any hardware store. This kind of tape, have a pop-up flash. Yeah, you can have any color you want, blue, red, just anything. You see, I cut my tape and just cut the shape and put them on the flash. Also put some stickers. Yeah, I messed up the sticker parts. Yeah, you just tape the flash, and of course you want to dial your shutter speed and ISO. My camera is lower than 250, and my ISO should be as lowest as possible. But most important is this color shift, this white balance shift. You won't have you see I use red, and I will change my color shift to blue, so you'll have this blue and red effect. Yeah, I use a Fuji camera, so I think the Volvia is the best. Volvia, and just change my white balance and the color shift to blue. Yeah, you will see it's super blue, and you just click. You can even try yellow. You can even try other color, but I find other color don't give you this not that perfect effect. I think the blue is the best. I mean, it's kind of classic, right? Blue paired with red. You can even try, I don't know, yellow and green. I tried that. It's more like a hawk. The hawk color is not good. Or maybe try green with blue. I don't know. Just do some creative. Just like that. You can even try this with a slow shutter sync, slow flash sync. It's pretty fun. Image will be like this. Yep. Is I don't know how to describe it. It's super easy, right? You just tape that thing and you're done. You totally done. It's super easy, right? So enjoy your day, man. Keep shooting, keep doing the good work. Haven't posted a video in long times ago, right? Have a nice day. Bye bye.